I will combine between iron foam and watercolor effect. I will paint on this aquarel paper. Hi, I am Deni Junaedi. I live in Yogyakarta, Indonesia. I am interested to iron because this thing is very special. Iron is useful for our life, but iron is not come from the earth. Iron come from outside the earth. This metal is dropped from sky. Iron is the result of an exploded giant star called supernova. I will combine between iron foams and watercolor effect in this aquarel paper. Okay, thank you for watching and please see the result. This is the result. The title is The Gas. Iron is the gas for this Earth. Because the Earth, even the Sun, cannot produce iron. Just supernovas send iron. A supernova is a powerful and luminous stellar explosion. I use that concept for creating this painting. Gear and machines represent iron. Melting watercolor effect from irons represent the sand down iron. On composition, I added iron in the side of paper for saying that iron is the gas for the Earth. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have question or opinion, please write below. And if you have special or private question, please send me direct message, DM in my Instagram account at deni.painting. If you need the tag of this painting or the photo of this painting, please visit my website DeniJunaedi.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next painting. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.